If I had to start from zero today and make $10,000, I would read these 3 books in this exact order. The first book is How to Win Friends and Influence People. Don't mind the condition of this book, it's been through a lot. But that just shows how much I really used it because it's that good of a book. Before you learn how to sell, you have to first learn how to make people trust you in their first impression of you. This book is a psychology cheat code. If you want to make people like you, trust you, and say yes to you, read this book. It's a great book, and it didn't just help me with business, it also helped me build relationships and network with people. So to sum it up, this book will help you communicate, build trust, and persuade people. But if you really want to maximize your money-making potential, you have to read this book along with the 2 others I'm going to mention. The second book is $100 Million Offers. If you want to get away with charging as much as you possibly can, this book is for you. You'll learn how to create offers so good that people feel stupid saying no. And you do this by learning how to sell value rather than price. Reading this book, I learned how to charge really high prices and not feel guilty about it. But it's not going to be easy unless you read the next book, which is $100 Million Offers. You can read the last 2 books and have the best services, personality, and mindset, but if you have no one to sell to, you're basically invisible, and you'll never be able to make as much as you truly can. So this book will teach you how to generate and monetize real leads. For short, it's a marketing cheat code. So if you read these 3 books, it'll be almost impossible to not make money.